Hey, if you're really wondering and have a lot of question about your thinning hair, or if you've had a lot of excessive hair loss lately and you don't know why, or you're thin in certain areas, your crown, your temples, and you just want help but you don't know how to do it, we really make it pretty easy and not abrasive. You can go to our website, iloveanotherlook.com, and visit us, Another Look Hair Institute there. Fill out a consultation form. We do ask that you send a photo as well so we can prep and see maybe what degree of hair loss you're at so we know exactly what your needs are. We then can either virtually talk and do a Zoom or a phone call, or you can come in to our facility where we have private rooms. We escort you back into a private room and you're just met with a specialist to talk about your specific needs. At that time, you can take your time to decide what's best for you. We also have brought on a new financial institution called Cherry, and Cherry helps people with financing too, so there's no other walls to hurdle over, and we can get you looking your best.
Hi, my name's Katie.
And I'm Annie.
And we work here at Another Look Hair Institute. These are our specialized personal rooms that you come into when you first get here. This is where all of our procedures are done. So they're all private, closed doors, no windows or curtains or anything. A couple of the things that I personally do here at Another Look is our treatments. We do different types of stimulation, massage, all that kind of good stuff just to get all the good stuff flowing, I guess. We also offer a type of extension, which is called the micropoint link, which is little hairs threaded onto a tube. And we individually tie them onto each strand of your hair just to give you more volume at the root and to add a little extra length.
I want to introduce you to micropoint accents. Micropoint accents a way of adding 100 hairs to a client's head. They're designed to work from the parietal ridge down. You can get these as close to 1.5 inches from the hairline on the lower level. It's an excellent product to fill in where extensions don't work. It's completely a non-adhesive attachment. We're going to pull through 10 to 15 hairs and clamp it down so it's tight. These are going to last for around 6 weeks, and you're going to remove them and start over. When you apply the product, you're going to put them in a brick pattern, as you see on the video, and fill in the hair according to what the client needs. The first thing you're going to do when you're preparing the client is you're going to cleanse the client with a strong clarifying shampoo as our hair support cleansing and revitalizing shampoo. You're going to do it twice to make sure it's completely oil-free. After you've properly cleansed the client's hair twice, don't use a conditioner on it because that's going to be a lubricant. Always apply the micropoint accents on dry hair. Some of the big factors you want to do is use point cutting method to finish out the ends. No razor, because this is made with cyber hair. The razor will cause the cyber hair to be frizzy. So always use a thinning shear or point cut on the tips to blend it into the client's hair. Cyber hair can handle heat. We recommend keeping the heat within the 300-degree range. So that could be a blower or flat irons. So when the client comes back for removal, simply take the plier and squeeze the cylinder the opposite way, and it will completely slide out.
A big part of my job here is to do attachments. This is an example of a hair system that we have. So on the base side of it, we do different kinds of tape. It's totally customized to your needs. So it's based on your lifestyle.